What's up everyone, welcome to part 12 of developing Android application for your Android mobile phone, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get an launcher icon, or you can say icon inside your phone, that how it is gonna look and how we are going to go ahead and add an icon to our app. So let's just get started and let's see how we can do that. So for that, what you have to do is, as you saw the previous video, that how we go folder by folder and we got the activity and then we got the XML file of main activity. So alright, so this both is been pre-opened for you by Android Studio itself. So for that I created one new application that says app icon right over here, as you can see that, and I add an icon to that. For icon I was thinking that what should I do, so let me show you how we can do that. Open up your Photoshop, give it the size, for example 512 by 512, and then hit OK. So this is going to go ahead and open up one profile that is going to be total square, and that's how. Let me just go and grab one photo of my logo. I just grab it and paste it on over here, drag and drop. Alright, so let's give it a full size so it should fit, and now I'm going to hit on it. File, save as, keep it on desktop, make sure to keep it as PNG or JPEG, and keep it as logo for logo tuts. Okay, and then I'm going to and save it. So this is going to be saved inside my desktop. As you can see right over here, this is the photo which has been given by Photoshop and added inside Android Studio. Inside apps, inside RAS, and click new and then on image asset, and now scroll it and you will get the path. Where should I go and give it a path to that? I'm going to click on image, not clip art, from here and get that where the location is and from where should I and open that up. So and open up my desktop. Inside my desktop I just give it like logo dudes and hit OK. So there you see my logo is appearing right over here. If you want, trim it. If you want, you don't. I see icon, I see launcher, and then zoom it a bit and add a text as well. Add clip art to that and use an image for that. If you want, you can give it a padding. Also, it's all up to you. So let me give it a like this, and if you want you can use a background. Click choose. If I keep it like this, it will show a background to that. Alright, so this is blue color, so let's choose blue. Crop it, shrink it, it's all up to you. Square, circle, vertical, horizontal, dog ear. Okay, this is like folder somewhat like that, mostly used in other apps as well. And hit on next. What is this X, HDP and so on? It is like small phone and bigger phone, like code still tablet or something like that. I hope you got from smaller to top how it is going to be resolution inside your phone. So it has created so many these things. Hit on next. I see launcher for mid and larger one. Okay, hit on finish. It is going to be benefit for you as well, and keep it inside a Play Store. It is going to load up for that. So that's the reason you have to do is image size is 512 by 512. Okay, so you got the point of how it is gonna do because of that 512 by 512. I hope you try that out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. This is how you app launcher inside your app. So see you guys in the next video.